Hi, this is Giselle Colbert with Top Orlando Homes and Keller Williams and Advantage to Realty, and I'm here now in Hunters Creek with this amazing listing. And I call it amazing because everything is renovated, so the owners prepare the house for sale for you. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, and as you can see, this is a corner lot, so it's an oversized lot that we have right here. Talking about the neighborhood, zoned for top-rated schools. We have the Shingle Creek Forest right here, so like super quiet neighborhood. We are only 5 minutes away from I-4 and from 417. And I just want to call your attention before we go in, we have brand new landscaping, new roof just replaced, completely, like the house is like fresh paint outside. And now let's go inside because I have a lot of things to show you guys. Okay, and now inside the house, many surprises for you. Let's start here talking about the fresh paint inside, new vinyl flooring, new light fixtures, and as we walk in this way, you will see that on my right side we have the entrance to the garage with new paint also on the floor. We have the laundry area completely renovated as well. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and upstairs you will see here the stairs we have hardwood floors. Also, they were just put in, brand new. Upstairs, 4 bedrooms, completely renovated, including the master with a walk-in closet and double vanity. And also a loft area. That could be your play area, that could be also your office, whatever you choose. And I want to show you guys this amazing kitchen. So as you can see, we have new floors as well here. We have 42 inches cabinets, and we have brand new appliances, brand new backsplash. Everything is super nice. And as we walk in this way, you will see the coffee and wine bar, also brand new. They just put in for the sale of the house, and the breakfast nook. Let's continue this way. Okay, and now the family room, super spacious living room, typical from a Lennar home. So this builder, a lot of people love this builder. And now I want to show you guys the patio area. Let's go. Okay, and now we have the patio area. As you can see, everything is screened. It's brand new. The solar shades stay with the house, and you have a large enough area to make some barbecue, entertain friends. And as we come this way, you will see how big this lot is. And this is really amazing. You can have a soccer field, a pool, whatever you want, with a water field. So super relaxing. So my name is Giselle Colbert. I'm with Top Orlando Homes and Keller Williams and Advantage to Realty. My phone number is below. If you have any questions, if you want to come and see this amazing home, give me a call.